today we're gonna go fishing on a lake that is about 18 minutes away from my house. I've never fished on it before, but I've heard there's some pretty good walleyes biting right now on it. So it's freaking cold out. It's like 8 degrees. Today's like the warmest day it has been in about a week. It's been below freezing. Terrible weather. It was super sunny a little bit earlier and I was super stoked, but now the sun's gone and the wind picked up, so now it's freezing out again. So there we go. It's gonna be warm tomorrow. I'm gonna go fishing then too, but I really want to get on some walleyes tonight, so you're gonna come with me and we're gonna go do that. So let's go. I set up on this kind of hump right in the middle of the lake. It goes up to like 8 feet over there. In that direction, kind of. I'm right on the edge and like 16 feet of water. You can see that. So yeah, I'm just gonna set up here. I heard that people are catching walleyes out on this lake a while ago, so I don't know, it's really windy out here. I don't know how long I'm going to be out either. We'll see. But I'm going to get my rods down and set up. Oh look. Look. There's something on the vessel. Let's drop this jig down. There's something on the bottom. Yeah, there it comes. There's 2 of them. With their perch. They'll probably perch. They won't eat. Come on. I just want it still. I'm just going to hold it still. See if they react to that at all. Yeah. There we go. It's a perch. Well, I mean, it's a fish. Perch, but it's a fish nonetheless. moving in from around the lake. Let me just show you what I'm sitting on here. Work. Is it gonna work? Okay. Here we go. This is what we're working with today. This is what we're working with today, right here. This is what we're on. This is a big hump in the middle of the lake. I am right here. It says 15 feet. That is correct, 15 feet. Now, the bait shop said that people were catching walleyes on this lake in about 16 to 19 feet of water in the evening. I live pretty close to this lake, so I'm like, I have been catching walleyes all year, and I've been trying to, trust me. So I decided to come out, and that's where we're sitting. Right now, I've got a bunch of people that are sitting behind me right here. Not too far behind me, like, I would say 100 feet away. Because my truck is parked there as a wind block. As you can't tell, it's windy as heck out. If I didn't have that truck there, I would blow across the lake probably. There's a lot of action down there at the bottom, unless this is more perch. I don't know, it looked like a bigger marking came in. But it could be a lot of perch just coming at the same time and clustering up the sonar. I have no idea. Let me show you what I got on. Okay, this is what I've got on. Just got a Rattling Flyer spoon. Red and black. And I've got about 5-pound test monofilament with just a snap swivel. Really simple. Once we get later into the evening, I may put a minnow head on. I'm not going to do that now because I don't like baiting up hooks. And then on the bobber rod, I've just got I forgot the name of it. It's a spoon. It's a spoon with a single plane hook on the back that can be used for summer fishing, but is quite commonly used for ice fishing under tip-ups and dead sticking with minnows. That's what it's commonly used for. And they work wonders. I've used them now quite a few times and caught many a walleye on them. We have a fish down there. It's a single marking, I think. It's coming up to either my spoon. Oh wait, never mind. Oh wait. Could this be a walleye? That's a big marking. It's sitting. It was sitting on the minnow. I'm gonna shot back down. Okay, well, we didn't catch any walleyes today, and I thought we were going to. We didn't, and that's fine. At least I got out in the ice today, and didn't spend it at home doing nothing. So it was a good day. We'll be back out, I'm sure, again. Maybe try a different spot. We'll see. Man, it was like really tough. I only caught the one perch. I don't know what people are catching out here, but pretty much everybody who's in this little area is gone. And now I gotta make my way back to the access and drive 20 minutes back to my house. It's pretty cold out still. It's about 7:30, 8 o'clock right now. I can't remember. Anyways, had a good day. We'll be back out again. I'm going fishing again tomorrow, and tomorrow it's gonna be way warmer and sunny. It sounds like I'll be doing some crappie fishing at that point. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Like and comment below. I'm gonna try uploading more videos. I'm gonna try to do weekly. It's probably not gonna happen just because it's me. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.